class. This is tutor ABC, and I am reporting direct from Mmuta. Okay, on the board we have modular arithmetic as a topic, and of course mathematics as a subject. So, what is modular arithmetic? This is just a pattern of counting, or a system of counting that just considers remainder only. You understand? At times, if you check our wall clock, the system wall clock, if it is in 12, there are wall clocks that count in 12, and there are wall clocks that count in 24 hours. So if you check the 12, you are going to realize that when it gets to 12, you won't see 13, you won't see 14, 15, and the rest. It will return back to 1, meaning that it is counting in modulo 12. Okay, if you have like your days of the week, there are 7 days in a week. So you have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. It won't give you, okay, Saturday, Sunday. It won't give you another day. It will return back to Monday, meaning that it is counting in modulo 7. And again, in Igbo market today, we have Eke, Ori, Afo, it is counting in moduli 4. Okay, so in this case now, if you have, let us say 60, and you are given 60 mode 3. What is this asking you? Then it is counting in mode 3, or let us change it, 60 mode 20. It is counting in mode 20, meaning that the number that should be in front of this should not exceed 20. You understand? So you are going to use this 20 and divide 60, or you ask yourself, how many times can you subtract 20 from this 60? Whatever it is that is the remainder, that is going to be the final answer. So if we reduce this to the simplest form, that is 60 mode 20. If we reduce it to the simplest form, we are going to have 60 divided by 20. Of course, this is going to give us 3 remainder 0. Remember that we are picking the remainder only. So this automatically becomes 0 mode 20. So if we further the solution, if we further break all this down, you are going to see applications of modular arithmetic. Alright, so let us solve this first one. To have 11 mode 5, what is 11 in mode 5? That means we are dividing by 5. What is that remainder after dividing 11 by 5? So the first method, you can simply say, okay, the first one, A. We have 11 mode 5. You can simply say 11 minus 5, and it is going to give you 6. So the next thing you are going to do is you say 6 minus 5, you are going to get 1. So you now pick 1 mode 5. But this method can be stressful, because if you are dealing with a number that is large, let's say 100 or maybe 1,000 or maybe 5,000, taking this subtraction one after the other can be very demanding and stressful. That is why we use division. And of course, division is repeated subtraction. So what do you do in this case? You say, the second method, you say 11 divided by 5 is going to give 2 remainder 1. That means the equivalence of this becomes, you remember you are picking the remainder. You now have 1 in mode 5. Okay, so this part B, let us watch this part B. 16 mode 7. How do you resolve 16 mode 7? 16 mode 7, we have our B to be 16 mode 7. So you are going to say 16 divided by 7. 16 divided by 7, of course, is 2 remainder 2. Because 7 can only divide 14, and the whole number is 2, and then the remainder is 2. Therefore, 16 mode 7 is equivalent. 16 mode 7 is equivalent to 2 in mode of 7. It is this 2 that I took, and not this one. Okay, in this 9 mode 3, we have our C to be 9 mode 3. How do you simplify this, or how do you find the congruence of this? In same mode 3, you say 9 divided by 3 is going to give 3 whole number, remainder 0. Therefore, the congruence, the remainder is what we are picking. We say 0 mode 3. In this case, we have 10 mode 4. We have our D to be 10 mode 4. How do you resolve this and find the congruence? You say 10 divided by 4 is going to give 2 remainder 2. Therefore, the congruence or the equivalence of this is going to be 2 in mode 4. So that is all for today. Thanks and God bless you.